Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection on a restaurant and I wanted to share with you, it's a pretty good looking roof system, but we got a little bit clogged up around here, and of course we got a little low spot right in here. But I wanted to share with you, see, I got my vent right there, my blue drain right, that is for so as that my roof will drain. But they also got us a little stack pipe coming up here. My stack pipe's not very high, so what's happening is this water's getting deeper and it's literally going down into my stack pipe, going down inside of my building itself. Luckily it's a stack pipe, and it's not good to have water running down it, but at least it goes out to drain. But we want to make sure this is all safe. Look at that, you can see my footprints in here. We're walking around. We want to make sure our drains are taken care of. Well, thank you for watching our videos, folks. If you like what you're seeing, hit like and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate all your support. That way other people get a chance to kind of learn what you're learning. Thank you, and have a great day. We appreciate you. Galloway Building Services.